karag-karag, welcome back to my vlog. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. At ito na nga mga karag-karag, mga latest kaganapan ngayon na pinag-uusapan, pinagchichikahan at pinagchichismisan ng mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa sa social media na kung saan tinanong ako ng aking kachismisan kanina. Wala muna tayong bonggahang menopausal fashion destruction look, pero kita yun naman sa ating menopausal na pa-outfit, halata talagang chismosa yan. Dahil ano daw yung magiging reaction ko sa super chat ni Maring Katrina natin. Bakit natalo daw tayo? Natalo ba tayo? I'm not sure. Hindi ako masyadong nakasunod, pero yung mga chismosa, nanalo kasi yung kapitbahay natin sa group 5, group 6 ba siya? Sa Miss Supra Chat. Pero bakit daw hindi umingay ang pangalan ni Maring Katrina natin at ng pambato ng Thailand na si Ai Kanyalak? Ay, ito talaga si Ai Kanyalak. Isa talaga to sa paboritong kandidata ko sa Thailand na gusto ko makita sa international pageant. At ito na nga, lalaban nga siya sa Miss Supra National 2026. Excited ako sa kanyang maging performance. Doon talaga ako nakaabang sa kanyang performance, mga karag-karag. Gaya nitong si Maring Katrina natin, kung mag-level up ba ang kanilang performance ngayong nasa international pageant na sila. Di ba? Pero, yun, natabunan nga sila sa pambato ng Indonesia na kung saan sa survey bitaw talagang nag-top 1 siya, at dito nga sa pagkapanalo niya rin sa Miss Supra Chat ay lalong umingay yung pangalan niya dahil makuda. Napanood ko yung ano niya, mga clip-clip lang bitaw sa social media, itong pambato ng Indonesia. Magaling siyang kumuda, mga karag-karag. Fluent na fluent siya sa English. Sabi ko nga kahapon, talagang napakaswerte nila kung saang ataol man nila ito nakuha. Kay gwapa man pod, may beauty naman, level up yung beauty niya sa kay Kito. Na vlog ko yan kapon. So, kasi content creator siya, so sanay talaga siya sa dakdakan ba. So, tinanong ako ng kachismisan ko, Kuragan, ano yung magiging reaction mo? Ako pa yung tinanong na bugo, kayo kong English. Nakakaintindi ako, pero hindi ako maka-express ng explanation sa mga Q&A portion bitaw. Ay, wala tayo dyan. Nakakaintindi lang ako, oh, ganun, okay naman, oh, ganun. Pero pag i-explain mo, express mo yung sa loobin mo, ay, naku, wag na. 50-50 below the ground lang yung cell membrane natin. Mahirap yung vocabulary, knowledgeable natin, mga karag-karag. Kaya ibigay ko sa comment section kung ano yung magiging reaction nyo sa super chat ng ating pambatong si Maring Katrina. Sa tingin nyo, aangat kaya siya, mga karag-karag? Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, naku, watch this.
Mabuhay. I am Katrina Legado, Miss Supranational Philippines 2026. I am a certified multitasker. I do a lot of things here in the Philippines, from being a model, a host, and also a founder of a beauty brand. But apart from that, I'm also a military reservist. And also, I have a love for women empowerment. That's why I'm supporting Project Plus and their initiative Grow, that I'll be talking more about. And I'm excited to showcase everything in Poland and experience the supranational journey.
Shared that you are a military Air Force reservist. Can you tell us more about this experience and the values or disciplines you've gained that you believe will help you in your role as Miss Supranational Philippines?
You know, Ivan, my love for serving the country rolls back to my grandfather. My grandfather is actually in the military. That's why I am so devoted of serving the country, and also into being into the military service. And actually, one of my super sister, Lindy Pajares, who also competed Supranational way back 2021, is the one who influenced me as well. So, being a military service, you are ready to be of service, not just to the Philippines, but of course to the communities that we help every now and then. And I think being a military service would truly help me as Miss Supranational, not just in the Philippines, but of course the willingness to take on these roles, to take on the job, and being ready to really serve for the people.
Your involvement with Grow initiative under Project Pearls focuses on empowering women living in poverty. Can you share more about how this organization is making an impact and what inspired you to become part of it?
You know, Ivan, Project Girls is helping the poorest of the poor here in Manila, which is Tondo. It's the part where the most vulnerable people live. And actually, I was able to bring Eduarda in Tondo. And she saw firsthand how the life there and how Project Pros come in is that they help them as scholars. So they hone them first in their education. And where I come in is with their initiative Grow. I mentioned earlier, I have a beauty brand and we partnered with them by being able to give them sustainable livelihood, by being able to partner and manufacture candles with Project Pros. And in this small way, we are able to give livelihood not just to the women of Tondo, but also to their families and to their kids as well. And this is such a powerful tool because being able to help the women, we are able to help the community and of course, the whole country as well.
Oh, yan na mga karag-karag. Ano yung magiging reaction niyo? Comment down below. Ako, pas ako, accept ako dyan. Sa mga matatalino dyan at pinaglihi ni Albert Einstein, ni Google, at saka ni Almanac at ni Webster Dictionary. Ay nako, it's your time to shine sa comment section kung ano yung magiging reaction ninyo. And thank you for watching mga karag-karag. See you in my next vlog. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest kaganapan at late na intriga sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And bye-bye!